Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful AI tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update method and much more. Kindly join my WhatsApp and Telegram channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can create Facebook accounts without using the main Gmail. How you can use temp mail to create accounts successfully without ban or any issue. And I will also show you guys how you can add your friend request easily in this video also. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you'll be needing a VPN stand. You need two type of VPN. So you go for ExpressVPN. There's what we call ExpressVPN. This ExpressVPN, and there's this VPN called Avast. So this Avast is good for adding friend requests. If you want to add friends easily, you use this Avast. This Express, we will be using it. Why I'm using this Express is because I want to use it to open the Facebook. So I'll be showing this. I'll be showing you guys the step I use, and if you follow the guidelines also, and I believe the thing will work for you also. So let's dive in. To create your account is very easy. Once you go to your ExpressVPN instance, this is the ExpressVPN. Connect your ExpressVPN New York. I told you we'll be using Express and Avast. So once you connect your VPN, you go to this Facebook. This Facebook is special for creating and special for adding. You can also use normal Facebook Lite to create if it works for you. If you follow this process, and you use your Facebook Lite to create, it can work. So but if you can use this also is their special Facebook that is being created. So if you use this, it can bypass some kind restrictions. Understand? So I've already used this Facebook Lite 2. If you see it now, there's Facebook there. You can see it. I've used it to create, and you can clone it if you have cloning app. So Facebook 3, I've created account here. This is not a clone. This is not clone. I've not cloned any of the app. It's just the app I'm showing you guys. And the Facebook 4, Facebook 5. You see, they have different color. You can see they have different color. So 2 to 10. So I've used this 4. So let me try and open this 5. Let me open this Facebook Lite 5. So let me open it. So no account here. So let's just click on create a new account. So I'll click on create new account. Create new account. Once I click on create new account, you put the name. Let's use you can decide to use invisible name. So but for the purpose of this video, so you go to this website. This website can give you a name. So let's use this name. And let's use this name to create account. Then you put it. Let's copy the other one, paste it here. So click on next. So the year, you select it to 1970 stuff, 70 what, let's use to 76. Then you can change it. Then click on next. So here now, female, click on next. So in this part now, we need a US number. You can use any number, just use a random US number. Then note, we are using email to confirm this thing, but let's use email. Let's use random US number. You go to this website. This website can give you bestrandom.com. If you go to the website, it can give you US number. Then you can click on it, click on next. So let's wait for it to load. So you select your password. After you select your password, click on next. Agree. So let's wait for it to load. So in this place now, they say I should confirm it, but I cannot have the phone number, so I will confirm by email. So click on confirm by email, then put the email. Go to this website to generate email. This website using this template.ninja. So to create email, they'll give email, but to create another email, click on this email this thing. If you are clicking it, refresh, start. If you are clicking it, it's not clicking. If you are clicking and it's not clicking, you can just off your VPN. Just off your VPN instantly. Then go back to the site, click it, refresh. Network is bad. So you are refreshing, then you click on this email inbox. Click on it. Then once you click on it, click on create email. Once you click on create email, let's wait for it to load. Verify you are a human. Verify you are a human. Then they'll give you an email. Then copy it. So go back to your VPN, on it back. Make sure you are connected. You're connected successfully. So go back to the Facebook. Put the email. Click on next. So the code will be sent. Let's go to the website and collect the code. Let's refresh. So this is the code. We open it, then 83012. Paste the code, then let's check. So you can see it has opened successfully. So here now you can skip it. You skip all this, start. So don't allow, must now. So we have successfully opened our account easily. So remember what I told you guys. If you are opening the account, use your ExpressVPN to open, connect to New York. So if you need this Facebook app, or this Facebook app, if you need it, Facebook Lite app, if you need it, DM, it's not free. If you have, you can use it also. So if to add the friends, you just need to do this. Let's disconnect. Go to our Avast VPN. Follow this my tutorial very well. Let's connect. So we're connecting using Avast VPN. If you need any of the VPN, DM also is available. So once you connect, wait, then you will minimize back to the Facebook. You can minimize out, then go back to the app back. Open the app again. So don't allow. So like this now, we need to add some friends. We need to add some friends from some page. So I will go to this page. So to add page, I'll go to my Telegram and check some page. So I'll go to this page. Okay, let me go to this page. Let me check the first. Okay, let's add friends from this the first. So this is the first. Okay, so let's check it. Let's check check here, or go to this comment section. Let's go to this comment section. Let's check Tulsi Gap. So okay, click on add. So we added. Let's go. Yeah, it's good. So we check. You add. Go back. So let's check whether this has a friend. Can check whether this person has a friend. Let's check whether it's real. I post. Go back. 420. You can add this. So just like that, you'll be adding people. You'll be using your Avast VPN to add. Then you use your ExpressVPN to create. So if you need the full details of those application, DM me at affordable price only. So you click on add and make sure you are using your Android, because the app is only available on Android. So we have added. Let's go back to the comment section again. Let's check this guy. Okay, let's check this guy. Who is this one? There. So you can check that will give us a people we may know. Understand? So you can see now we now have people we know, friend suggestion. So you can continue to add here. You can check if this person is real. Okay, this one is new account. So you keep checking. Okay, you can see this one. Let's check. You can add. So you keep checking. So keep checking. So that's what I'm showing you guys. You can see this thing is actually working perfectly. This software is actually working perfectly without any issue. So that is how the work stand. So let's check. So I'm showing you guys how you can do it. It's very easy. So you see it's adding. So that is how to do it. If you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell anytime, so that you won't miss my update anytime I drop a new one. So make sure you join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel also. So that is that on that. So see you next in my next video. You can see everything. It's very sharp. So if you need this site, I'll drop all those sites. This site is called Temp Ninja. This one is called this one you can use it to generate name. I'll drop all the sites in the description. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.